One thing about always staying at the loft, well, not always, but staying at the loft, is they're always ready to get down. Sassy ABUDHABI. To get a good picture of that. Ah, for parking. Welcome back, my cheeky wee monkeys. This big little bug. Gotta say, whoever does their art, interior design is on it. Pool table, some graffiti. All right. So we are in our next hotel, and let's see what we have here. Our room number is 1016. I think there's 16 floors to this building, so we're not the highest, but let's check it out. Bam. All right. So, ALOFT hotels are usually pretty cool. They're very hippie, not hippie, but hippish. So let's turn some lights. All right, so 10th floor, all the craziness. If you want to read that, go ahead and pause that. Get that. Let's start in here. We got the sink, some free stuff, garbage, hair dryer, safe, this big closet, slippers, ironing board, and some mirrors. Now we go in here. Oh, look at this door. So this door has a full mirror on it. Oh, there we go, where the magic happens. Its own little room. We got the butt watcher. Got our telephone because we got to conduct business while conducting business. Towels, big glass door, and the shower. Some free stuff, and we got the shower head. And look at that, we got natural lighting. I'm gonna assume that's from the bedroom. What's on this side of the door? No mirror. Okay. All right, I'm gonna assume this is the door next door. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and fix this. Okay. All right, we got ourselves a desk. Nice big king size bed. You know, and since we are in the Middle East, they do still ask if you want to smoke in a room. So you can legit smoke in the hotel rooms here. Oh, fingers are in the screen. Which is crazy. I mean, I know my mom would love that, but I don't think she's gonna want to take that 15-hour flight just to come smoke in this hotel room like they did in the 70s and 80s. All right, so let's get back to the, what we got here? We got a charging port, lamps, bed looks nice. Oh, I love that Marriott does this. There are 4 different pillows. One's down, one's synthetic, stiff, hard, soft. It's great, I love it. got the baggage rack. We got the TV. We got some more free stuff. We got, oh yeah. Oh, this is one of those, yeah. Oh, here we go. That was just instructions. Some kind of teapot, coffee pot. We got a kettle, some water, coffee cups. That's probably for ice. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, got AC vent. Oh, let's look. Oh, here it is. Mecca. So when we pray, we got to pray that way. So let's see what's out this window. All right. So that's the convention center. All right. Oh, look at that crazy building right there. Look at that thing. That's pretty crazy. So we got pretty much nothing out here. These are all man-made islands over here. So, but yeah. I got some kind of boat there. Looks like it's under construction or something. But yeah, not the greatest view. I mean, how would you like to live in that guy's house? Here, check this guy's house. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's somebody's house and not a hotel. So, all right. So if that's, all right. So yep. So we're in Abu Dhabi. Scan your code to connect. Oh, so you can, man, look at this. Look at this. You can, for the Chromecast. Bam, man, this is such a good idea. Oh, we got our phone, little piece of paper, some more outlets. So, she told me I'd have a good view, but I don't know, princess. I'm not sure what kind of good view I'm gonna have. So I guess we'll see. Definitely gonna have to do some editing tonight. Right there. Oh, look. Mini fridge. Let's go over here. What's in this door? Ah, nothing. Just more storage. So, all right. All right, so that's the tour of the room as of right now for the ALOFT in Abu Dhabi. We will, there's a pool, there's 3 restaurants, the whole gaming area that you saw when we came in. This place is pretty nice. I like ALOFT. Sometimes they're not in the most convenient places where I need to be. I think I've stayed at 2 or 3 of them so far, and always a good time. The people are always great. So, all right. So I'll definitely be wandering around this hotel, and we have an appointment tomorrow at the mosque. Hopefully we can go in. I don't have a long sleeve shirt, so that might be a problem, but we'll find out. Other than that, all right, for now, paka paka. It's like a time warp, baby. All right. Need your shoes polished? Nope. Where are we going? Turn on the charm, now open. Alright, do this guy. And we need to go down to that guy. Should probably go up there later. I want to hit all these rooms. All this space. You can just hang out with your friends. It's pretty cool. The WXYZ, the skillet crunch. We got, you can buy stuff. What do we got here? Room elevators, rooftop, poolside, washroom, blah blah blah. And a little cafe. And salads and sandwiches, fruits, cakes. Ice cream. There it is. We're on the Glow, 5th floor of the ALOFT. Oh, this is nice. Little chill area. Beef eater. The pool. Kind of weird looking pool. Excuse me. There's the mosque. This is huge. Yeah. It's like a chill place. There's like a screen, probably place a movie. So we got a full-on bar. Hello. How are you? I'm just wandering around. A little too early for a drink. Yeah. It's pretty nice. I love how they have the trees in the middle of the pool. It's pretty awesome. I wish. Maybe I'll go. So there's a restaurant bar up there too. I guess it's closed. I'll be back in 15. So you notice the separators in between the machine? Yeah. Crazy. Alright. We'll just head back and pack off for now. So some hotels just do it better than other hotels. I had put the do not disturb on my door when I got back from breakfast this morning. Didn't think about it at all. Went off and did whatever I had to do. And quite frankly, I just went down for a swim, hence the swim gear. And I wore this shirt because I'm sensitive to the sun, okay? And I come back and the floor is vacuumed, the bed is made. I mean, they didn't touch anything. I would never think they would. But it's like, dang. I was only gone for like 45 minutes. I just swam a couple laps, sat up there long enough to dry, which, you know, we're in the desert. Doesn't take that long to dry. And yeah, pretty cool. Good service, really good service.